Model, 68 Citroen Relay 35 L2h2 Enterprise Blue 2.0 HDI non-runner no VAT bargain. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 93,346. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner the chain that links the cams together has snapped, so should be a straightforward simple repair job for somebody who knows what they're doing, no VAT absolute bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, minibus. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 7,375.